Hello everyone! This is Janie yours. Welcome to my channel. Today is another SB19 reaction. So, let's check the live performance of I Want You in Vivo. So, without further ado, let's watch the video in 1, 2, 3.
Nobody better for you, promise this is where we'll lie.
Grabe yung tingin ni Josh.
Said it's more than a physical attraction, it's a passion, baby, how I could die for you. Don't you ever doubt it, how about it, baby?
Mesmerizing sila lahat ngayon ah.
Honey, anytime you come running, I'm there.
Nandito sila para makuha tayong mga 18.
And ain't nobody else is gonna do. So every single time I go through and get it, I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you, I wanna fall on my knees.
Ganda ng falsetto. Ay, naku. Kailangan hawakan talaga yung body. Mahina po yung presa.
You got me open, I got it bad. I ain't gonna front, you can take what you want, baby, y'all did it hand.
Ay, ayos ah. Sige Pablo, pinuno.
See everything new for you, I'm changing the face. Fresh. Follow your heart, you say what you call it.
Naka-emote lahat yan.
Ooh, head over heels, ain't no.
Yan, tumayo na si Josh. Yan, humubad na si Josh. Ala. Consistent talaga, sister.
So every single time I come through, get it.
May pa-effect pa talaga si Josh. Kailangan talagang ganyan pakita yung braso, no?
I wanna fall on my knees, beg for your body on me. Cause I want you, you know how I like it. Girl, I want you, you know how I like it. Baby, you are the one who wants you. Baby, you are the
Nakapalda si Pablo.
Baby, you are the one who wants you. Baby, you are. Baby, you are. Baby, you are the one who wants
Adlib ni Stel.
Baby, you are the one. Baby, you are. Baby, you are the one who wants you. Baby, you are. Baby, you are. And ain't nobody else gonna do.
Ay,
So
ganda ng harmonization ng tatlo.
get it, come through, get it. I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you.
Ang ganda ng instrumental doon part. Yung part na yun.
For your body on me. Cause I want you. You know how I like it. I want you.
Hindi ko kaya, Stel.
How I like it.
Yung heavenly voice ni Stel. Ayan. Naka-short si Justin. Nakita yung nakakrop top si Stel. Kita yung chan mo. Simple lang yung ano, no? Setup ng ano yun. Studio ba yan? Astig pa rin yung posing eh. May angas. Yun guys, tapos na yung I Want You nila. Parang plano talaga ng SB19 na ano. Patayin tayo sa kilig. Itong I Want You, ito talaga yung first kong na-react ng kanta ng SB19. Yung sa Wish Bus performance nila. So, second time ito na i-react ko yung I Want You. So, first, yung kantang I Want You talaga is total package. Sabi nga nila, Making baby song daw. Parang dyan sa I Want You, yung vocals nila, every member, may part talagang pinapakita talaga yung kakayahan nila. Parang nag-excel talaga sila sa bawat part nila. Tapos, yung visuals, grabe no? Yung mata nila, talagang, ano talaga may mission talaga sila. Hilahin yung 18 sa kanilang bahay. Sino yung nagpahila? Nakatira tayo doon. No need na hilahin. Ganon. So, yung melody, yung lyrics, maganda, madali lang din sundin. Kaya natin nga mag-jamming. Then, yung outfit nila, nagpapatrend talaga si Pablo ng palda. Then si Stell crop top. Then si Josh, ganyan may sleeveless, sando, then may jacket. Then si Justin, yung sa short. Then yung kay Kian naman is yung maong, yung mga adlibs nila, yung high notes, yung mga falsetto, di ba? Ang ganda pakinggan. Music to my ears. Ganun talaga. So, pampatulog ko din yung kanta nila. Yung mga ballad nila nga na kanta. Yan, pinapatunog ko yan para makatulog ako. Parang hinihele ka. Ganun, di ba? Diba? Yan din yung mga isa din na siguro technique or way para magkaroon ng chance na mapanaginipan natin sila, di ba? Ilang beses nangyayari sa akin yon. Yung kapag nakikinig ako ng SB19 na songs, napapanaginipan ko talaga sila pagka umaga. Ganon. So, 18 try nyo. Legit yan. Nangyari na sa akin yan. Diba? So, that will be my reaction to SB19 I Want You live. So, see you next time to my next reaction. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.